What's up, man? It's your boy Ash, and I know you ain't seen me in a long time because I ain't been posting in a long time, but today we come to you, bringing you this purple thing, you know what I'm saying? I went and caught me another wide body. So today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be installing our aftermarket exhaust from our boys over there at AWE. You know what I'm saying? Go check them out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. We're gonna be basically taking the old exhaust off and replacing it with the AWE Touring Edition exhaust. What we're gonna do is slide some before clips and some after clips somewhere in the video so that way y'all can hear it before and after, and then we'll just, you know what I'm saying, show y'all how it get installed and how it looks and basically the quality of the product, and then we'll just go from there with that. I know y'all ain't seen me in a while. We done went from the Challenger was my last video. We done went from the Challenger, we got a Charger, we had a Charger Scat narrow body. For those who are keeping up on Instagram, we wide bodied that one. And then we got rid of that one. We got a Kia Stinger. And then from the Kia Stinger, we went and got another wide body. So basically, you know what I'm saying, we got a lot of mods on here that we're gonna be showcasing on the channel. But right now, we just basically here to just show y'all the aftermarket exhaust that we'll be putting on today. So as I said before in every other video, previous videos, like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you leave your thoughts down below for real so that way I can know what y'all want to see about the car. Until then, what we're going to do, we're going to slide in a before clip right now. And then we're going to show y'all the process of pulling the car in, getting it loaded up on the lift, and also changing out the exhaust, and then we'll do some after sound clips and also roll bys or whatever the case may be. We just gonna let the video float. But also we here at Mod Effects Customs, you know what I'm saying? This is where I work at out here in Houston, Texas. If you need anything modded, you need lights, wraps, underglow, headlights, interior lights, stars, bags, wheels, tires. I mean, the list goes on and on. Basically, you just hit us up and we'll take care of you. So let's go ahead and get these clips rolling. So now that you've seen how everything is set up, how it looks, you heard that good sound clips of the stock exhaust. So basically now what we're gonna do is show y'all how the stock exhaust look. From here, you have the tips, you got the resonators, and then you have the pipes going all the way up. We had already did a muffler delete on it. So right here was where the old mufflers was. But now we had basically sort of straight piped it, but it ain't straight pipe because we have resonators. Then we come up here to the factory X pipe, and then, yeah, you know, you got your cats up front. So basically, what we're gonna be doing is taking these bars off, and then we're gonna unmount the factory exhaust. If you know, you know. If you don't, you just don't. But I'm not gonna show you the whole process because this is how, you know, we keep our business going. So take the old exhaust off, take the actuators off. These actually get deleted on the AWE exhaust. We're about to crack that open in a second so that way you can see how it looks. So these gonna be deleted, but they'll still be on the car because if you don't have them on the car, then you will get a check engine light. Take the actuators off, take the old exhaust off, and then we'll crack open the AWE box right now, actually, so that way y'all can see how y'all lays out. So right here, we got the AWE exhaust. This part number is 302032056. We're gonna leave a link in the description below, but this is the aftermarket exhaust from AWE Touring Edition. So yeah, as you can see, FedEx did their big one with the box, but we ain't gonna talk about that one. So right now we're gonna open it up, take all the packaging out. As you can see, they got this thing secured in there. So these basically sit in the rear like this. So it sits in the rear. This is the passenger side. So that goes there. This goes here. Then we dig some more, dig some more, dig some more. And then we got this right here. So this gonna go, I think, right here. And then you got the other one. Well, this is the X pipe, well, H pipe. So you get rid of the X pipe and they give you an H pipe. So just keep that in mind. This go right here. Then we got the other pipe right here. And then this one goes like this. So that's basically the layout for the exhaust that's gonna be on the car. Then they send you some 4.5 inch tips. These are the chrome tips. For right now, I'm gonna run the chrome tips, but then we're gonna go ahead and upgrade it to the black ones. And then we have the hardware, all the clamps and everything we need to secure the piping to the car. And then, yeah, so basically what we're gonna do now is take the old exhaust off and show y'all that process, some of it, not all of it, and then show y'all how we install the aftermarket exhaust. So stay tuned for that. Watch the whole video. All right, man, so we back. Finally got the old exhaust out. Got the AWE touring exhaust in. Fairly easy install. Stress level 1 to 10, probably about a 3. As you can see, we got the chrome tips, 4.5 inch tips. We got the resonators or mufflers. I really don't know. I think they mufflers though. And then we got the beautiful straight pipe all the way down to the Cadillac converters. So as you can see, it comes from the cats. You got an H pipe alongside these 3-inch piping to your mufflers, to your exhaust tips. And basically that's the full install. So now we're gonna lower it down and then we'll get you some sound clips. So as you can see, man, we finally got the car down on the ground. We got the tips showing. They real chrome, boy. Them things shining. So now we're going to crank it up so y'all can hear the first start of the exhaust, the new exhaust, AWE touring exhaust. And then, yeah, so we're going to start it up for you guys. So now we already let you hear how it sounds before and after. And like I said, shout out to my sponsor AWE for sending us out this beautiful exhaust. And if you want one, the link would be in the description below, and you'll be able to find where to get this beautiful exhaust. So now we're gonna seal the deal just by putting on this lovely AWE badging on the back windshield, so that way we can represent our sponsor and show people where this beautiful sound is coming from. So we're just gonna spray the glass down a little bit. That thing wet. Clean it. Wax on, wax off. Like this to be out here. Gonna peel and stick. So peel. Peel. Get it. Try to find the center a little bit. Now we got our sponsor on the back windshield. So like I said, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more car content. We got a lot of mods that we're gonna be featuring. So, you know what I'm saying, stay tuned. Now make sure y'all like the video, share it with a friend. Make sure they know that we coming back strong. Yeah, so until next time, man, peace.